I am always running out of power on my devices. Especially when I'm traveling, especially when I'm out and about on shoots, I always struggle to find a power bank that can charge my laptop, my phone, my watch all in one go wherever I am. Most importantly, a power bank that is light enough, that doesn't feel like I'm carrying a brick. Well, I found the perfect power bank. Let me show you. Alright, today I'm diving into Anker's high-power multi-device charging beast of a power bank. First things first, let's crack open the box and see what we're working with. First impressions? This Anker Power Bank looks slick, like premium level slickness that makes you feel kind of fancy just by holding it. And the first thing I noticed was the weight. It's solid, but not in that, why am I carrying a brick kind of way. It's more like, yeah, this feels nice and sturdy. This Anker Power Bank has a built-in retractable USB-C cable, like it literally slides out when you need it and hides away when you don't. To me, that's a total game changer. That means no more digging around through my bag, realizing once again I forgot my USB-C cable at home. It's just there, always ready, like a tiny charging ninja. Okay, so you got both USB-C and USB-A ports here, so you can juice up your devices and the power bank itself with these ports. There's just one button to press to cycle through all the display info, because hey, who wants to deal with a million buttons on a device, right? And that display, well, it's super crisp and easy to read. Okay, let's get charging. First device I'm plugging in is my Samsung Galaxy flip phone via the USB-C. Second device is my charging case for my wireless earbuds. And with my favorite retractable USB-C cable, it's going to be charging my MacBook Pro laptop. At first I was like, wait a sec, this display is only showing 2 device charging, but then I had a light bulb moment. My earbuds are already fully charged. Turns out this clever little power bank knows not to overcharge devices. Okay, so let's charge my iPhone 12 Pro instead, which always seems to run out of power even when I'm not using it. Alright, we have 3 devices charging up from this single power bank. It's so interesting to see how much power in terms of wattage each device is consuming. But hey, what's this? This isn't just a support strap. It looks like it's a sneaky little USB-C cable ready to charge up your other devices. Yeah, it's doing double duty without breaking a sweat. Pretty impressed. I'm going to use this sneaky little connection here to charge up my health ring tracker. And there it is, all 4 devices charging at once. It's kind of wild that one power bank is handling the entire squad on my desk. Gotta say, it's pretty cool to see it all working together like that, especially the way it manages the power consumption from each device smartly. Once it's all charged, I easily de-rig and unplug everything, and I have to say, that retractable cable is still my favorite feature. Now in terms of temperature after charging, I have to say, it's pretty impressive that this charger is just lukewarm. This is by far my favorite power bank, and I'll be carrying this in my bag everywhere I go. And I'm afraid that's all we got time for in this episode, but if you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Most importantly, stay safe and see you on the next one.